Hi, my name is Oseyo Osukwete, consultant of Nissan Japan Motors. We are here to grace the Ghana Automotive Summit 2003 with our locally assembled Nissan Navara, which currently comes in 6 different variants. You can always visit our showroom in Accra, Takrade, Kumasi, Tamale, and in Tema. You're always welcome. We are always here to engage you for test drive and for you to get to know more about the vehicle. Always visit us and then we'll be the best to serve you always. Thank you. The push to start, it comes with a customized Pro4 seats, and then it's a 2.5 liter engine. Very fuel efficient, and then it's an all-ranger, an off-roader, and it can take you anywhere you desire to.